Hello friends, Marcy here. Sticker storage is the question or concern of my day. Um, as you know, I'm new to buying planning kits. Just started purchasing in November. And I had, my first purchase was Mandyland Plans, and I ordered the subscription box. And it happened to be, well, I ordered it in October. It was for the November subscription box. And then I ordered a January bundle that came with the monthly bundle, and it was for January. So I have the monthly stickers and enough for all 4 weeks in January to decorate or plan with. But I had just been using my box that my subscription materials came in, and I just kept adding sticker kits to it, and then I started ordering from DEK Designs, and that's where this folder came in. So all these little odds and ends stickers I had like by holiday or intention or sports, and they were tucked inside this Pendaflex pocket file. So it has tabbed file dividers at the top, which are what these labels are for. And I took all these odds and ends out, and I'll have to find a new home. But I put my DEK sticker kits in here. In the front pocket, it has some that I've already started using. And then I have some new ones here that are winter. There's Alpine and Winter Comforts. And then Oh Baby and At Home. And then I got to my, those are A5 cousin kits. Those are specifically to fit the Hobonichi cousin in A5 size. And then all these are the Color Club sheets that I've purchased individually, just because I'm going to use them to redate a planner. And then these are foiled holidays throughout the year. So this was working well, but I thought, wow, this is going to fill up fast. I'm getting quite a few kits quite quickly. So I was looking into sticker books, and I did order this one from DEK Designs, and I have started using it with a few odds and ends or leftovers from my planning. And then these are some odds and ends leftovers from the Mandyland Plans numbers and dots and things. So I've just begun inside this book. I love it. It's gorgeous. Oh, and it also came with these labels. So you could put one of these labels, functional, character, script, boxes, decorative, and foil, here, and then you could label your sticker book as you have. And then this is just one of the little envelopes that the stickers come in, and I put some of the small ones from Mandyland Plans, excuse me, and I just stuck a little washi tape there, and I just used, this is just the sticky that comes on the envelope. I just folded it backwards, so I have a little pocket in the back. Trying to be creative with my sticker storage, and I know it's going to change. It will change for sure and for certain. I did order this from Amazon, but I haven't used it yet. It's supposed to be sticker release paper, but it looks like it has like a matte finish. It doesn't feel as slick as this wonderful paper from the DEK Designs. You can see it's shiny and more slick. I've yet to experiment with how the stickers release from here. And I don't know. I know it's from Amazon, and it came a 2-pack. And I did order Black Friday. I ordered a bunch of stickers, label stickers from Mandyland Plans, and I ordered this this photo album, sticker album, excuse me. And it fits like this. It's a top loading. This slides in here great. And then I have some leftover pages here. This would fit, but here I have a new dilemma. This does not fit here. So I know I can get like a 3-ring binder or A5 or some kind of binder with the photo sleeves or the screen protector pages. that I'm still looking for, like what I want. And another idea popped into my head. I have these photo boxes. These are from Michaels, and these they just have some ephemera and journaling cards and things. This is a 5x7 photo box, and this one is a 4x6 photo box with the same intention. And I remembered having several of those. I have the 5x7s, but I've been using them to store my my rings. This is personal wide, and this is personal. Some of my extra sheets, some more ephemera. Some of my extra sheets, I've been using those to store. And so when I remembered that, I went to Michael's to look, and I found this set. It is a different brand. These are Recollections, and this is Simply Tidy. But it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 photo boxes in the 5x7 size, and I want to use those to fit these sticker kits from Mandy Lynn Plans. Colby, sorry, he's trying to get Remington to play. So these sticker kits from Mandy Lynn Plans and from DEK Designs, if I take it out of the package, they'll fit in there. And I want to label them for seasons, maybe summer and fall and winter and spring, and then some that are like holidays, seasonal and holidays, and see how I go with that. But I'll use my little Dymo label maker and make the labels for the boxes, and I'm thinking about using storage like that. So when I'm using my sticker kits, I don't have to have so many out at once. I can dedicate, I have another past storage idea. I did this a year ago, or maybe 2. This is a cookie tin, and it's metal, and I got it at Hobby Lobby. Sorry, I'm too close to the screen here. And so I just put all my Christmas stickers and journals, ephemera, and Christmas washi in this box and put it away, and then I didn't have it mixed in with my other stickers, you know, that I had to rumble through as I was looking or using my stickers. So this is kind of what gave me the idea to break stuff up seasonally. And if it's winter, I don't need my summer kits out. If it's summer, I don't need the Christmas kits in washi out either. Speaking of washi, let me grab my washi storage and show you how that's going. Again, I've been using this process for a couple years. I had a smaller one, and it got full. So I bought a larger one, and this is Recollections from Michaels. I bought a larger one, and I gave the smaller one to my mother, but I think I'm going to have to get another one, maybe this size or smaller, because I've since received my Cultivate What Matters tending tape, which is just washi, and I have some new washi to share. I need to make a washi video. It's what I need to do. This is a bundle from Lauren Phelps Design, and these are really wide. So I know my box is full, and I need to get another one, and I need to make some, be creative with some more washi storage. I don't want any more washi, but I want to use what I have, but I see something and it's pretty and I want it, and so there we go. You know, the life of a planner girl. Anyhow, and anywho, oh, see, I even have more from my sub box. Here's more laying right here from my sub box that I need a space for. So yes, I need more washi storage, or I can continue with my idea, buy the smaller one and take, you know, the Valentine's and winter I can put Valentine's, and maybe some January I can put separate, and then some fall and summer I can put separate. I don't know. Start separating my washi by holidays, and then only pull it out when I need it. Let me know what you use or what you think. Give me some more ideas. I've shared with you where my thinking is at right now. If you're doing something different, please leave it in the comments below. Let me know, and I'll give it a try. I really appreciate you for spending some of your precious moments with me. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.